The following process describes two new features in Treatment Space that bring more structure and control to your workflows: the activities log and ability to delete treatments. Let's begin. We begin by creating a new treatment. From here, you can start working within the case, adding media, placing comments, creating orders, and more. As you perform actions, the activities are automatically generated. It logs each completed activity, such as scans, uploads, comments, and orders, giving you a clear chronological view of the treatment's history. This makes it easy to see what's been done, by whom, and when, helping you pick up right where you left off and collaborate effectively with your team. The activities are available across all treatment categories and restoration types. Whether you're managing a single crown or a complex multi-step case, the activities adapts to show relevant past activities, providing a consistent structure across workflows. It's especially valuable in collaborative environments where multiple users contribute to a case. The activities history brings transparency and accountability to every treatment. Another update in treatments is that you can now delete any existing treatment directly from the interface. This gives you control over your case management and helps keep your workspace clean and focused, especially when managing multiple cases or test treatments. And rest assured, your patient files and orders associated to this treatment will not be deleted and remain accessible from your patient media gallery. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new D's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.